Hello, moms and dads out there. Incredibly bad Christopher Walken impersonator here. For the past forever months, 37 days and counting, housebound parents have been on an endless mission of arranging entertaining activities for whiny young children, and more recently, on an endless mission of inspiring whiny older children to get up and get a job. Well, it's time for some payback. Luckily, your friends at Mathews Brothers have come up with a solution for both problems. Go online and schedule a manufacturing tour. My friends, the clockwork precision of window manufacturing is fascinating and inspiring to both young and old, and so well explained that even politicians understand it. True story, 6-year-old Noah Hosmer took the tour. Bada boom, fast forward 10 years, he starts this summer. So, get some payback. We'll even throw in a bumper sticker. Learn more about our wicked awesome windows and doors, but only at better lumberyards and window professionals, or on the web at MathewsBrothers.com. Mathews Brothers with one T, America's oldest window manufacturer.